dream. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Life is but a dream. It's what you. I have this music.
Oh, that ain't good. Yeah. If you notice, that is not a lot of snow on the ground. So I'm gonna go out back right now and icy door. I'm gonna go out back right now and see if my little project worked out for me. Kept all the snow there or not. Hopefully. What's up, dogs? Okay, update on the snow and all the snow I just pushed. Blew this way, didn't really hold up. I mean, it did rain. It had like 40 some degrees and thunder showers. So for this snow to last this much is pretty impressive, to be honest. But no, it does suck. Ugh. Yeah, these barrels. This one, that one, and the one over there. They're all up on the hill. Did not stake them in the ground, just was hoping the snow would hold them there, but when the snow melts, it's all gone. Luckily none of them went in the river and floated downriver. That would have sucked. Dogs are still running around. It's been like 15 minutes out here already. Yeah, this sucks.
Whoa, Roman. Dude,
that's a problem. Because now I have to wash them and they suck to wash. I didn't want to wash them after this. Just kind of wanted them to play on the snow and ice and not get in the river and get all muddy. That didn't work. Let's try this.
Yo, back off. Yeah, we're not leaving, dude. Stop. We're not leaving. Yeah, he can jump in here by himself. Guys, we're not leaving. I'm just starting up the drone. Give me a second.
That means you're extra.
This drone right here, let's see if we can Are you kidding me? Did you see how they hopped in? How come? Go boys, except for you. Roman, you suck. Whoa, okay. That's not good.
Yeah.
Truck got a lot more muddier than I would have liked, for sure. All right, guys, be free. Be free. Yeah, jump down, bear. Jump down, bear. Don't be scared. Bear, come on.
What are you doing?
I was wondering where the dogs were at. And the nice part about my truck is that I can go into those automated car washes because I have a pass, because I'm smart like that. Magic of editing software devices on your laptops and computers. I just made that 5-minute travel time easy by just, I was saying, I made that easy for you people. All right, okay, open up that gate today. The frick? There we go. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Oh, that dude just checked me out. Now every time I come here, I'm so scared of hitting these blue balls because they make them freaking hard to get in here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, just juicing it. Let's see how she looks. Oh, not the cleanest, but it's better than where it was at. Better.